but our radar, but our brave pilot destroyed them. Mr. President, I ask from the shining star, I ask from the huge mountain, I ask from the oceans, who is your creator? They said at once, at only, Allah, Allah, Allah. Respected teacher, honorable chief guest, and the shining star of Hamdard University, Assalamu alaikum. Mr. President, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Isra Ali, and I am the student of Rufaida Hamdard College of Nursing. Mr. President, I would like to start my speech with this poetry. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर. Mr. President, Alhamdulillah, today we remember a proud day in our history, the day of the battle for truth. Mr. President, on 7 March 2025, Indian attack to Pakistan, Indian targeted Pakistan mosques, schools, and the innocent people. They tried to lie to the world, but they forgot this is the new Pakistan, where everyone, where every citizen is ready to defend the country. Mr. President, on 10 May and earlier, on 10 May, Pakistan gave a strong answer to the India. Pakistan gave a strong answer to the enemy through Operation Bunyani Marsus. Mr. President, it was not just a war of weapons, it was not just a war of guns, but it was war of wisdom, it was war of technology, it was war of planning. India knows the modern technology, modern fighter just like Rafale and Su-30, but our radar, but our brave pilot destroyed them. Mr. President, we destroyed the enemy planes, we destroyed the enemy drones before they could harm to us. We were elites on the ground, we were elites on the cyberspace. Mr. President, Pakistan also won the digital war because they relied on social media and blocked their cyber attack. We showed to the world, we proved to the world, we tell to the world, it does not make only gun, we build our bright mind too. Mr. President, this was the victory of the whole nation, where the people shouted, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, mother prayer, and the children promised to make the Pakistan stronger with knowledge, with education, with technology.